I love this kind of event. It's bringing three things together. It's the networking, spending time with like-minded people, getting inspiration either from ideas from the partners you have here or from other companies. And inspiration can be on the positive thing, or we can learn from each other. Talking about things that are not working, talking about challenges. And this is a great thing in that industry, in that kind of format that I experienced over the past 3 years.
So again, the networking. So many people I know since many years, they come again, and sometimes they are in a different role, but it's really impressive and really motivating to see how the group is developing.
Ich fand die Use Cases sehr spannend. Also ich habe gemerkt, dass es unheimlich viele Möglichkeiten gibt, mit AI zu arbeiten und trotzdem menschlich zu bleiben dabei. Das fand ich sehr spannend.
I really liked it because IQPC and you organizers know what are the new trends and they apply them to this event.
I liked it very much. A lot of topics put on the table and a lot of opportunities to collaborate in future.
Amazing experience here in Berlin, a lot of inspiring presentations, great insights from different companies, and obviously I'm taking a huge haul of ideas with me back home and to really consider for my company too.
I would love to be here again, and thanks for having me.